Take a rain check. Postpone an invitation. The last straw. The final problem in a series of problems. Throw in the towel. Give up. Under the gun. Under pressure. You can't say that again. I strongly agree. Add insult to injury. Make a bad situation worse. Barking up the wrong tree. Looking in the wrong place. Cut to the chase. Get to the point without wasting time. Face the music. Accept the consequences of your actions. Get cold feet. Become nervous about doing something. Hit the road. Leave. It takes two to tango. Both parties are responsible. Keep your chin up. Stay optimistic. Make ends meet. Have just enough money to pay for necessities. Once in a blue moon, very rarely. Put your foot in your mouth. Say something embarrassing. See eye to eye. Agree completely. The best of both worlds. Enjoy two different opportunities at the same time. Your guess is as good as mine. I don't know either. A blessing in a disguise. Something that seems bad at first, but turns out to be beneficial. All ears. Listening attentively. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents. And also please hit that like button as well. Bite the dust. Fail or die. Blow off steam. Release anger or frustration. Break the ice. Initiate social interaction. Butter someone up. Flatter someone excessively. Burn bridges. Destroy relationships. Cat got your tongue? Why aren't you speaking? Chicken out. Decide not to do something because you're afraid. Cross that bridge when you come to it. Deal with a problem when it arises. Get your ducks in a row. Get organized. Get out on a limb. Take a risk. In the same boat. In the same situation. On thin ice. In a risky, dangerous situation. Shoot the breeze. Have a casual conversation. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents. And also please like this video. These are my prior contents. You might want to watch them as well. Until next time, stay safe.